So everyone tells you that to succeed in trading, you need to be resilient. You need to be able to take a punch, get back up, and do it all over again. I'm telling you today, that is terrible advice. If all you're doing is getting back up, you're not moving forward. What you actually need is this instead, which is what we do at SMB, and we're going to reveal in this video. I'm Mike Bellafiore, and we're one of the top proprietary trading firms located in New York City since 2005, and now Miami as well, and proud to have developed numerous 7 and even 8-figure per year traders. Watch, take notes, and learn from lessons from our prop desk so you can grow your trading account. Here's the problem with resilience. Resilience is about taking a punch and getting back to where you started. It's a survival mechanism. But if you just get back to where you started, you're set up to take the same exact punch again. It leads to more future losses, not growth. The solution: great traders don't just bounce back. They adapt. They systematize. They turn painful losses into permanent rules. They find a new rule such that they never take that loss again. That's how you build a long-term career. That's the work that we do every day at SMB. The solution, again, develop a new rule so you don't take a loss like that ever again. So we suffered a huge loss at SMB recently. Hey, this channel is about transparency, and we are going to be transparent. We're going to talk about the good times, and we're going to be honest and transparent about losses that we suffer. From this, I certainly hope you can learn. So we had this tough day on our desk recently. Traders on our desk took a huge loss from an unexpected event. You might even call it a black swan event. Now look, many trading gurus at this point would advise, be resilient. Just be resilient. We believe this is a trap. This is not what we advise. This is not the work we do at SMB. Here is what we did instead. Instead of a pep talk, we held a post-mortem on the trade. You might call it an after-action review. You might call it a team meeting. But we reviewed the trade in detail, whatever you want to call it. Where and how could we have limited risk? Why did we get caught in this trade? Should we take a similar trade next time? What variable caused this trade to go so wrong? What did traders miss potentially about the trade that caused such a huge loss? Most importantly, what rule or rules must be adopted so this never happens again? The traders had studied the opportunity. They had approximately 10 to 12 documented similar trades that had worked prior. This trade was made by a team. They had data to back up the edge in this trade, or at least they thought they did. But in review, we found the flaw. A flaw that was an important variable that was missed by traders. Maybe not missed, but certainly underappreciated. A new rule was identified so that this never happens again by the team. And look, this trade was not made by a bunch of pikers. Superstar traders took a huge loss. This trade was made by superstar traders. This trade was made by a highly successful team that was made up, some of which who were superstar traders. If this can happen to them, it can happen to you. If star traders need to review a bad beat and develop new rules, then so do you. One star trader was so upset about the trade and the loss that he even apologized to the firm. And this certainly was not necessary. But what was necessary and what is necessary for traders at our firm was a new rule needed to be implemented so that this never happened again. What would happen if we mentored them, be resilient? They would blow up. their trading careers would be over. And this is with a firm behind them that provides significant capital and has tons of resources. We give traders downside. We are patient with traders. We have had traders draw down in the 7 figures. But what would happen if you, after a huge loss, if you just focused on being resilient? You're going to blow up. Your trading account is going to be wiped out. And we don't want that to happen to you. The truth about trading. Trading is a competitive sport. You're not guaranteed to succeed. Being a nice person, someone who wants to make money, you might even have a great reason why you need to make a little bit more money. Someone who studies some chart patterns is not enough. I'm sorry to tell you that. This is the real world. It's not enough. You have to continually study to find edge and develop your trading skills. You have to develop better trading skills all along. You have to continually tweak your edges as market conditions change. You have to continually do more of what's working and eliminate what's not. That's the life of a consistently profitable trader. So look, this was a painful loss for our firm and for traders on the desk for whom we root for whom we pour tons of resources into, for traders that we invest a lot into for their trading careers, and for traders that we spend a lot of time and money and energy to help them build out their trading careers, and hopefully they stay here for a long time. Hopefully they can sit in their seat for 10 plus years and really make tons of great trades. Look, we hope this anecdote from the desk that we're sharing with you, we hope it helps you to improve your trading. We hope that the stories and lessons that we're learning on our desk and sharing with you helps you to improve your trading. We know that our traders, we know this because of their process, because of their review process in this case, and the new rules adopted, we know they're going to come back stronger. The question for you as a trader who may suffer a huge loss like this is, are you going to do the things that you need to do to come back stronger? And I'm going to leave you with this important quote from the great Ray Dalio, founder of one of the most successful hedge funds in the history of U.S. markets. And he said, remember that weaknesses don't matter if you find solutions. From all of us at SMB, train and trade well.
So you're an active trader, not doing as well as you want, not doing as well as you deserve, and you just can't figure out why you can't become profitable no matter how hard you try. Well, let me show you why. This is your competition. The traders in this room. This room right here is full of elite traders, some of whom are making 7 and even 8 figures a year. In fact, our top guys have made nearly 20 million each in net trading profits in a single year. Let's head to my office so I can share more. So you're probably used to seeing videos of lavish trader lifestyles, trading gurus trading off of a laptop for an hour a day, heck, maybe even 15 minutes a day, and then them relaxing on some secluded beach for the rest of the day. Well, all I can tell you is that our traders train like pro athletes. They live and breathe the markets and are continually working on their trading skills. Because at our firm, that's what we found it really takes to make it in this game. I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder and managing partner of SMB Capital, one of the world's top proprietary trading firms located in Midtown Manhattan. And we're always looking for trading talent to hire and develop. And not just to trade in-house on our desk, but also to trade from their own home, entirely using our firm's capital. And we have numerous traders doing just that, allowing them to make upwards of 7 figures trading the firm's capital without risking their own money. But to even get a shot at something like that, you need to have the right training. That's why we're doing a new free online presentation in which we share how you can get an interview with SMB to become an in-house or remote trader, trading firm capital without risking yours
and gaining access to all of our firm's coaching and resources. And the best part? You don't have to be a profitable trader yet. In fact, we prefer to mold profitable traders with our methods and our techniques. That's why we have just 3 simple criteria that can earn anyone an interview. We're looking for highly ambitious and determined traders who fit our culture first and foremost. So if you believe that could be you, sign up for the free 1-hour online presentation by clicking the link that's in your top right corner of your screen now.